Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So right now I am baking my under eye area. So if you didn't know, this is a method to prevent creasing on your under eye area. So I just put on some concealer over there, and then I am using my Laura Mercier powder. Then after mga ilang minutes, pwede mo siya i-dust off, and then bongga na. I'm doing my makeup because today we have an event for Air Optics and Fresh Look. Here's my look for today, guys. Sobrang simple lang. Simple makeup, simple hair. At ginamit ko pala yung this one. Yung comb na may parang tawag dun, sponge chauvinist, yung pang pa-dry daw. Hindi ko masabi kung nag-work siya. Pero siguro it helped with the faster drying of my hair since meron nga siyang parang towel. So, okay din. I like it. Then my bag for today is of course something from Teddy Blake. Ayan. And I answered a couple of comments saying that it's a replica or a fake bag. Fake Hermes daw siya. Pero my point is, it's from Teddy Blake. So, it has a brand. It has been existing since 19 Chauvinist. So, ewan ko lang. Perhaps we can agree to disagree because, you know, I made a video about not supporting fake bags. But then again, this is from Teddy Blake. It is a brand. It is 100% leather. Siguro kasi yung yung design. Although hindi ako super familiar talaga sa mga design ng mga tawag dito, yung mga designer bags. Kasi wala naman ako masyadong, wala akong designer bags at all. Pero, it's from Teddy Blake, you know? That's my point. It's from Teddy Blake. It's 100% leather. It's a legit company. It's not something from Green Hill. So, I don't really consider it as a fake bag or a replica bag. Ewan ko. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment box. Kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko alam kung ano sabihin ko. Kasi for me talaga, it's not a replica or a fake bag. So, let me know your thoughts, guys. Another gloomy day. And we're riding Uber. Again, use my code UberSateYoko if you wanna get a free ride for up to 200 pesos. Lagi na lang yun, no? Pero yun, free ride, girl. And I'm enjoy Sola again. Kahapon, di ba magkasama tayo? Yes. Na-upload ko na yung vlog. Napanood mo na ba? No! Na-upload ko na. Anyway, si Bay hindi makakapunta. So, si Kim lang naghihintay na sa amin sa may Chama Juice. Doon tayo bumaba sa may Pedro Hill. Okay. So, dalawang ikot pa yata yun. We're now here at the event. So, Robinson's Place, Manila. And, yeah, wala pa sila, Kim, Catherine, and si Julia. May ibibigay ako kay Kim. Pero sabi ko, hindi ka kasya sa bag niya. Kimmy! Malaki nga, hindi mo pa alam malaki? Kasya ba? Kasya yan. Yay! We're gonna go live with Doc Elaine on Facebook.
Hi! Yes, Facebook Live of Air Optics Colors Philippines. Yes. So watch us. Hey,
Live
so
na.
I'm Dr. Elaine and this is live here at the event for Color Your Mood, Air Optics Colors and Fresh Look. And for today, aside from the...
These are the colors for Fresh Look Color Blend. So, ano bang na-try ko dito? Parang honey yata. Pero I haven't, Pero yan. There you go. May sterling gray. Ooh, brilliant blue. That's cool. True sapphire, turquoise, gemstone green. Nice. Guys, ang laking Pure Moist. This is like the best solution ever, girl. Kasi before, I tried using yung mga cheap lang, pero masakit sa mata. So, ito kasi 16 hours na basta maganda siya. As in, hindi siya nag-dry and all. So, sana talaga may ganito kalaki, no? Para, girl! We have a cotton candy corner over here and sobrang cute ng flavors nila. They have rainbow, maple bacon, salted caramel, strawberry basil. We're waiting outside the tent with Rhea. I'm Joyce.
What's your favorite color for Air Optics?
Pure hazel. I'm using it now.
Pure hazel.
For me, parang siya yung perfect for my lifestyle. Kasi diba, medyo mahaba yung working hours natin. And with the Air Optics, siya yung pwede mong suotan ng 18 hours. So, perfect siya sa lifestyle.
How about you, Julia? Anong favorite mong color?
Ako, it's either brown or amethyst. So, depende sa mood, depende sa feel ng shoe, or if ever.
Kakain tayo, guys.
Kasi nakaka-excited na sa get to wear my get to wear na yung mga ganun kasi depende sa mood ko, So for me, Air Optics perfect siya for you because you can wear it up to 18 hours. And for my kind of lifestyle,
I'm sitting here with Anne. And sobrang natawa ako kasi kwento ko kay Anne. May nag-comment sa vlog ko, tawag sa akin Miss Anne.
Sa akin naman, nag-comment si Ikaw.
Friends from the media for the photo op.
Look at the doggy. So cute. Having dinner with Joyce and Kim. Early dinner actually. And he gave us a fresh skin. We have 2 contact lenses here. Fresh Look tsaka Air Optics na blue. Meron din silang, ano ba ito girl? Iba, tea?
Red din yun sa'yo. Baka na. Nahirapan din ako buksan din.
Ooh, spiced red fruits, white tea, bongga. We have bourbon ribs, something, and then salad ni Jones. Yummy. We're now having dessert here at St. Mark Cafe. So of course, in-order ko ulit yung aking favorite na matcha, and then choco crow. Pero yung walang banana kasi ayoko ng banana. So si Kim, ang in-order ni Kim naman, anong in-order mo Kim? Matcha din, no?
Matcha.
Pero iced.
Over ice.
Over ice.
Choco Crow.
Choco crow. Joyce, ikaw ano?
Vietnam coffee.
Oh, yung tapang niyang girl. Gabi na.
Ay, dito naman ako eh.
Ito kami dahil may saksakan. Tinago ni Joyce yung bag ni Kim. Ay, nako.
Hindi ako.
Bully.
We took photos with the Fujifilm Instax 8. Sobrang nakakatawa. Yung una kasi, sinadya ni Joyce na i-click agad. Hindi niya itsura ni Kim. Uy, pero cute. Ang cute natin Joyce dito, no? I love it.
Ay, ako gusto ko. True, girl. Tapos bumawi.
Ito, yeah.
Hello.
Like it. Look who's here. Hi, B. We're done watching the movie. It was so stressful. Anyway, since the mall is closed, tignan yung ginagawa namin ni Mark. Sa kabila siya, dito ako sa kabila. I've always wanted to do this. Yung go against yung paakyat. Sobrang stressful ng movie, as in. Ito kasi Pedro Hill.